Are you looking for a way to treat stretch marks? If so, you've come to the right place. This video will discuss some of the best oils for reducing or eliminating stretch marks. We'll show you exactly which oils work best and how to use them. So whether you have stretch marks on your skin or not, watch this video and learn everything you need to know about treating them. 1. Argan oil. Argan oil is a light, golden-hued oil obtained from the nuts of the argan tree. It has been traditionally used in Morocco and Algeria to treat various skin conditions, including stretch marks. Why? Argan oil contains fatty acids and antioxidants, making it an ideal choice for treating stretch marks. Besides, it's a natural moisturizer. The fatty acids found in argan oil are responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties. These acids reduce the inflammation responsible for the appearance of stretch marks. Additionally, the antioxidants in the argan oil help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. These ingredients make argan oil one of the best for treating stretch marks. Additionally, argan oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles due to its anti-aging properties. Argan oil can be applied topically as a treatment or used in conjunction with other oils. Applying argan oil to stretch marks twice a day for 6 weeks has been shown to improve the appearance of the scars by reducing inflammation and redness. 2. Rosehip oil. Oils derived from the rosehip fruit are effective at treating stretch marks. Rosehip oil is a natural, anti-inflammatory agent that has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions and is especially beneficial for treating stretch marks. The oil is concentrated and contains high levels of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. It can treat the redness, inflammation, and scarring that often accompanies stretch marks. Rosehip oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling. The oil is rich in fatty acids, soothing and protecting the skin against future damage. Rosehip oil also promotes skin cells elasticity. In addition, rosehip oil can serve as a moisturizer and makeup remover. It is also known to be photostable, implying that it will not break down in the sunlight. Rosehip oil can be applied directly to the skin or used in topical creams or lotions. You can also use rosehip oil as a skincare regime after childbirth. It is crucial to apply the oil regularly if you are using it for stretch marks. 3. Bitter almond oil. Bitter almond oil is a light oil derived from the husk of the bitter almond tree. It has been used in Ayurveda for centuries to treat various conditions, including skin irritation, acne, psoriasis, eczema, bruises, and burns. Bitter almond oil is excellent for treating stretch marks due to its cooling effect on the skin. The oil is known to contain anti-inflammatory and anti-scarring properties. It is high in vitamin E and antioxidants, which help to reduce the inflammation and redness that often accompanies stretch marks. It moisturizes the skin, soothes reddened skin, and promotes healing. Bitter almond oil can help improve circulation and promote better skin healing. The oil diminishes the size of stretch marks and can help reduce their visibility. Bitter almond oil is beneficial for skin regeneration, implying that it can help replace lost tissue and improve overall skin health. It is a popular choice for treating stretch marks because it can help reduce the appearance of scars. To use bitter almond oil, apply a few drops on the affected area twice daily. This oil is inappropriate for pregnant women or people with sensitive skin. 4. Gotu kola. Gotu kola is a flowering plant native to India and Sri Lanka. It is also known by the common names Indian pennyroyal, tulsi, and holy basil. Gotu kola has been used for centuries in traditional Asian medicine for various purposes like treating skin conditions, arthritis, and stress. Recently, there has been increasing interest in using Gotu kola as a natural treatment for stretch marks. Studies have shown that Gotu kola can improve the appearance of stretch marks by reducing their severity and moisturizing the skin. Gotu kola oil is an effective treatment for stretch marks because it contains compounds that can help promote collagen production. This tissue is critical for repairing damage to the skin caused by stretching or weight gain. Collagen is a key component of skin elasticity and can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. This oil features antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and support skin health. Besides, Gotu kola has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness and swelling associated with stretch marks. The oil can also help improve circulation and promote healing. To use Gotu kola, massage the oil into the skin every day. You can also apply it as a topical cream or ointment before any sun exposure. 5. Pomegranate oil. Pomegranate oil is a popular choice for treating stretch marks. It's rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Some other benefits of pomegranate oil include its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve skin tone. Pomegranate oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. To use it as a stretch mark cure, apply a few drops to the affected area several times every day. For best results, combine pomegranate oil with other natural ingredients, like ginger or lavender oil. 6. Lavender oil. One of the most effective oils and popular choices for treating stretch marks is lavender oil. This wonder oil has been used to help promote healing and reduce scarring since biblical times. Not only does this oil have anti-inflammatory properties, but it also helps to stimulate collagen production. Lavender oil improves skin elasticity, which can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Additionally, lavender oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for treating stretch marks caused by environmental factors or cancer treatments. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help speed up the production of new skin cells. Overall, lavender oil is an excellent option for treating stretch marks and should be part of any treatment plan. To use lavender oil as a stretch mark cure, apply it topically to the skin once or twice daily. 7. Neroli oil. If you're looking for a natural treatment for stretch marks, look no further than neroli oil. This potent essential oil is packed with compounds that decrease the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Plus, it's gentle enough to use on sensitive skin, so you can be sure your results will be positive. Neroli oil is a natural oil extracted from the flowers of the bitter orange tree. This oil has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including stretch marks. Neroli oil works because it is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. These properties help to reduce the severity of stretch marks and heal underlying skin damage. In addition, neroli oil has a soothing effect on the skin, which can help reduce any discomfort or irritation. You can use it topically, put it in your bath, or add it to your diet. One easy way to apply neroli oil is to add a few drops on your hand and rub it into the skin. You can also diffuse neroli oil using a diffuser or use it in massage therapy. As you can see, the best oils for treating stretch marks contain antioxidants and fatty acids. These ingredients help to protect the skin from the damage caused by stretch marks while also helping to promote healing. So if you are looking to reduce or even eliminate the appearance of stretch marks, include some of these oils in your skincare routine. They are great for the skin because they are natural and have anti-inflammatory properties. Be sure to use them regularly for the best results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to remove stretch marks using Vicks Vapor Rub. Thanks for watching and bye for now.